everyone. Today we are going to see the laboratory method of preparation of hydrogen gas. You can see the setup in the front of in the screen. In the last time, we saw the general methods of obtaining hydrogen from various acids and metals and salts and water. So what you do is you can take any metal in this flask, and from a thistle funnel you can nicely put that acid in, or alkali, and whatever you want. You can put, here I have taken zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid. Now this reaction will take place over here and hydrogen will be evolved. This hydrogen will now rise up as it is lighter, and it will go through this thistle funnel, and nicely it will go through this travel, and as it is lighter from water also, it will rise up all over here. This is your hydrogen gas which is prepared. So in this way you actually set up the this all the apparatus to make the hydrogen gas. The reactants usually which are used are granulated zinc. Why granulated zinc is used, and why not this why not a pure zinc is used? This is because this granulated zinc is a little cheap, and this is also having impurities in it. Impurities है तो क्यों चाहिए pure zinc लो? No, these impurities have a catalyzing effect on this reaction. So therefore this increases the speed of the reaction. What are the precautions which are to be taken is that there should be no leakage of gas. Otherwise the hydrogen which is there is combustible, it can burn, and it can be, the hydrogen air mixture is explosive, and it can burn quietly with air giving you water. So you don't want that, therefore it is not done. Hydrogen, when it is no flame should be kept nearby, otherwise it can burn. Hydrogen collected after all air is let out, means after all is air is let out, then only hydrogen should be collected, otherwise again it can react with the air. This end of thistle funnel which is there, I'll show you the previous slide again for this. Yeah, this thistle funnel which is there, the end of it should be dipped inside this acid, otherwise the hydrogen which is revolved will come out through this thistle funnel itself. So it should not happen like that. Oh my god, what is this? Collection. The collection method is downward displacement of water. Why water? Because it is very slightly soluble in water, so not much of chances of getting dissolved in water, and it is lighter than it, so it can easily come above this water, it can float on water. Then next is that the air which is there is not used, because air, you will say ki, air is lighter, air is also, hydrogen is not in air also, soluble in air also. Why not air? Air will be forming water. Hydrogen plus air will give you water, and if the reaction, if a mixture is formed, it will be explosive. Pure hydrogen cannot be collected, and we want pure hydrogen. So therefore this is not done. After collection of that is done, it is taken on pure mercury. It is taken on mercury flask which was dipped in mercury, absence of air, because mercury absorbs air. Now this hydrogen which is there, it has some impurities in it. From where did these impurities come? Granulated zinc. These impurities have to be removed now. Now what to do? First, now they are passed. This hydrogen which is now removed is passed. Sorry. This hydrogen which is removed is now passed through all these three washer bottles, which have some chemicals in it, which remove all those impurities. They wash the hydrogen and give you. Then from a U-shaped funnel it is formed, and here pure H hydrogen is formed. So first washer bottle contains silver nitrate solution, which takes out the impurities arsine and phosphine. Then the second one consists of lead nitrate solution, which removes H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Then the washer bottle 3 consists of KOH solution, which removes the impurity CO2, SO2, NO2. I call them that, which is carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. Then you have the U-shaped tube, which has anhydrous CaCl2 present in it, which absorbs all the moisture in it. So we have learnt about the laboratory method. In the next module, we will be learning about various industrial methods and the processes through which we can take hydrogen. Thank you.